One sunny afternoon, Anton discovered a mysterious set of letters. Anton carefully wrote all the letters in one line, separated by commas. But sometimes Anton forgot he already wrote a letter, and wrote it again. Now he needs your help. Let's count only the distinct letters. Let's explore how to count distinct letters in a set using a simple example. Start with the set. Sh-A-B-A-B. First, remove the brackets using S1 to 1, resulting in A-B-A-B. Next, split the string by commas to get A-A-B-A-B. Use dot strip to remove spaces, yielding A-B-A-B. Convert this list to a set with set, keeping only unique letters A, B. Finally, count the items using len. The result is 2 distinct letters.